Hi, this is FX Sniper. Welcome to another video of Forex Sniper about Forex. Today we will be speaking about a new indicator. This is a popular indicator for long-term trading. If you are looking for a long-term trading for hour 4, day 1 or week, this is a perfect indicator and this is very fruitful, useful, very much fruitful indicator in my opinion, but there are other opinions available also. So let's get into the business and get a quick introduction with the indicator. I hope you have heard it. This is the most popular indicator of trend and directional style, that is ADX. ADX is perhaps the most widely used indicator for long-term trading for hour 4, hour 12, or day 1, or even weekly trading. If you use ADX as once as for long-term trading, you will get high margin of points in result. For example, 100 pips, 70 pips, or 150 pips. But it is also good for day trading for 30 pips, 40 pips, or 50 pips even. So let's get quickly with introduction with the indicator and setup. Let's not waste the time. From the indicator pan of your MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, click on the average directional index, drag it to here, and this is how it will look like. You will find in the default setup with period 14 and the trend color, and there is also two direction for the indicator. One is DL plus and another is DL, sorry, it's DI plus, and another is DI minus, or DI positive, DI negative. This indicates the first one, the style, that is this one. It indicates the direction or trend strength of the trade, that is how strong a trade is. And this DI plus or positive DI indicates the bullish trend of the market, and the DI minus or negative DI indicates the bearish trend of the market. For your convenience, always use or try to use these colors: a blue for the trend, and green for bullish market, and red for bearish market. I hope this is good for you. Also use the continuous line for the style, that is the first setting, and not dotted but gapped line, the second one in MetaTrader 3, MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 for the gapped line for the DA plus or positive DA or negative DA. Okay, I hope this setup is useful for you. Why this is important to use this type of setup, so that if you use this setup, you will easily recognize any trend or understand very easily that what is happening once, just with simple glance of eye, once you look at the indicator. So please try to bear with me and use this setting. I'm clicking OK, and here is the indicator showing the trade setup, and everything is ready. I'm going to explain it as quickly possible and as short possible for you, because most of the traders don't like or cannot bear with a long trading educational video, but I try to keep it very simple so that anyone like me or any layman or new traders mean who has at least 3 to 6 months trading experience, at least in demo trader, those are new traders. They can bear with me and they can bear with any video online. I try to keep it simple for them for this reason. So as long as said, this is useful for long-term trading, but you can also use this for short-term trading or day trading too. So this is how it looks here. We're using the ADUSD pair for the trading, just only for educational purpose. You can use in any any other currency as long as you like. So this is a 4 hour chart, and we are using demo account to show you this because my real account cannot be opened right this time while I'm making this video. So look at here, bear with me. Here is the direction or the strength, the blue line in this indicator ADX indicator. This blue line is the strength of the trade, that how strong it is. Here in my trading setup, this is from 0 to almost 64. So according to setup, this can be changed. If you move to hour 1, this can be from 0 to 100, but let's consider that it moves in hour 4 from 0 to 65 or 0 to 70 or 0 to 50, just as rough indication. So what happens, this ADX indicator shows that the strength of the trade is strong from the midpoint when it rises above. Almost like RSI or CCI, this part shows the strength or how much the strength of the volatility of the market is rising in one side. It's maybe from the bullish market or from the bearish market. For your convenience, I'm using here two moving average. One is moving average 20 and that is 50. If you don't like a hedgy chart or like negative trading much more like me, then you can use only one moving average and this indicator. But if you use two moving averages as indicator and ADX also as prime indicator, then you will get the best of the results from the market. So where were we? We were in the strength of the uh, indicator. So the blue line here, which is the real ADX, it shows the directional strength of the market. It shows whether it is bearish or bullish, how strong the trade is. So when it takes a curve like U-shaped or V-shaped, look at this point. Let me mark it for you here and here, also here, also